The new Forerunner series is introducing a new HRV status widget. By tracking your HRV trends over time, you can get a more advanced analysis of your health. Have you been resting well? Have you been sleeping well? By withholding all the daily stressors, are they becoming unbearable? And whether training intensity is too high, etc. It can give you appropriate feedback in real time. Scroll up or down on your watch face. Select HRV Status Widget. This is the main menu for HRV Status Widget. The 7-day average HRV is integrated here. HRV Trend Baseline, Last Night HRV and other 3 information. Press the Start button to view the feedback from the watch to your current monitoring status. When you're just beginning, the main page will not display any information yet. Scroll down to go to the Last Night HRV page. After a night of sleep with the watch on, you can see the heart rate variability record throughout the night here. Move to the next page to enter the 7-day average HRV page. After you wear the watch continuously for about a week, a graph and averaged records will start to appear here. After wearing it for another 3 weeks, after returning to the main menu, you can see all the data is organized here. A baseline data will appear where you can compare your 7-day and 3-week HRV changes. Press the Start button to view the feedback information given by the watch. It is recommended that you wear your watch to sleep every day. This keeps track of your heart rate variability and can constantly keep track of bodily changes and trends. This is all for now for today's video. Thank you for watching.